Consumer Cellular offers international roaming primarily through prepaid data passes. First, purchase a roaming pass via the Consumer Cellular app, website, or by calling customer service. These passes are country-specific or regional and activate upon purchase. For example, a pass might offer 100 megabytes of data in Mexico for $10, valid for 30 days. Ensure your device is unlocked and supports the LTE 5G bands used by partner networks in your destination. Before traveling, enable roaming in your phone's settings under Network and Internet Roaming and toggle on data roaming. Digital activation via the app is common, avoiding physical SIM swaps for most users. Keep in mind that while passes prevent pay-per-use data charges, voice and text may incur separate fees if not included in your plan. Speeds may throttle after you hit your data cap. A crucial step for successful international roaming is verifying your access point name settings. The APN is the gateway for data connectivity. For Consumer Cellular, the default APN is CC data with no username or password needed. If you encounter data connectivity issues abroad, manually configure your APN settings. Go to Settings, Network and Internet, Mobile Network, Advanced, Access Point Names. Either edit the existing APN or add a new one with CC data as the name and APN. Save the changes. This ensures your device can properly connect to the foreign network. In some cases, the APN may auto-configure, but manual checking is recommended, especially after software updates. A case study from a 2025 Mexico vacation highlights that one family's device required manual APN entry due to a software update, emphasizing the need for pre-travel checks.